Windows 11 and 10 users, listen up. UniGetUI, the beloved third-party package manager, has just rolled out its latest update, version 3.1.7, and it's packed with performance improvements and exciting new features. If you're a Windows enthusiast or a power user, you already know how essential UniGetUI is for managing package downloads and installations seamlessly. And now it's better than ever. This update brings a significant reduction in CPU usage, ensuring smoother operations even during heavy tasks. Plus, it fixes a pesky timeout issue with Chocolatey, making your experience more reliable than ever before. But that's not all. UniGetUI now offers faster updates and installations for cargo, saving you valuable time. And let's not forget the long list of other resolved issues that make this update a must-have for anyone looking to optimize their Windows experience. Whether you're installing new software or updating existing packages, UniGetUI continues to prove why it's the top choice for Windows users. So what are you waiting for? Update to UniGetUI 3.1.7 today and take your package management game to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse for more tech updates, tips, and tutorials. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with TechVerse.